But I am Captain Sharp Blade-R-Block, and I found the biggest blade in the world. And I'm gonna now I shall sharpen everybody's blade at random to show you we got the best ever made. Serrated knife made by SOG, and you can see it is quite tall. Take the serrated edge and you roll it in the middle. You get one side in, the back on the return, and it gets right on down in between. Take your knife, your serrated knife, as sharp as can be. How sharp and keep got. Yeah. Really works, don't it? Yeah. Now on the smooth edge, squeeze it in there tight, bring the back of the blade up. The rods are made to flex so they follow the original edge, taking very little to no steel off, yet a good knife, a good made knife will go razor sharp. What I mean? Yeah. I'm dropping these down in the show today, $20 each, 2 for $30. Carbide pen indeed. That's why I can sharpen up anything you see. Here's another SOG knife. I'm going to do this, guys. When you run it through there, the rods are made to squeeze back so they pick up on the original edge. Takes the original bevel back as sharp as it can be. Takes very little steel off. Anything with the serrade, you roll it in the middle. This makes it vibrate, chatters through the teeth, taking them as sharp as can be. You do anything with a smooth blade, you want to put her on the edge of the counter, squeeze it nice and tight, and draw your blade through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they follow the original edge, therefore you can do any kind of blade. Now I shall sharpen everybody's blade at random. Block sharpeners are made, and we will sharpen any blade. As you can see, my pins squeeze back so it keeps the original edge. It gets very sharp. Block sharpener, we will sharpen any blade.
If your knife is dull, your scissors won't sharp, then you need this. The block sharpener. That's right. The block sharpener will sharpen your blade. Your scissors, your serrated knives, even your pocket knife. I got my pocket knife right here. And this thing is just zim zam. It's good. You just, you got to be careful though. If you're not sure how to use it, then go to Block Sharpener. Well, go there anyway. blocksharpener.net. There's lots of videos on how to use the new and improved block sharpener. So don't be a lame duck, amigo. Get yourself a block sharpener. Hey, I did. Block sharpener for a sharp knife.